back for another video. Welcome to my channel. I'm Bag Passionate. Today I'm going to unbox something that I bought during the sales period. Let's go directly to the point. It's an item from the brand Doc Martens. I have seen a bunch of videos concerning, the famous art bag from Doc Martens, and I was quite surprised that Doc Martens also made some bags. I fell in love with something others, and I have to say, I will develop it later in the video. When I saw the price on sale, I was like, no, I need to try it. I need to try it. So let's go. Without further ado, I unbox and I'm quite satisfied because for once it came in a box, but okay, as you can tell, the box was a little bit smashed, but it's okay. It's inside the box, so let's open it. Because I got it for long and I have been a bit busy, and today it's the time I open it. So you will see what I picked. Oh, yes, it's the size of a box. And so I picked this bag, which is a backpack. So it's inside a plastic bag. Yes, it's exactly. And okay, let me place you like this. So let's open it. Look at this. Apparently this model exists for quite a long time now. Every time they produce it again with something different. I have to say that I'm quite satisfied with the packaging, and as you can tell, it has several protection at important parts of the bag, like the closure. I was browsing on the internet website, and I have to say, I know Doc Martens for the shoes because when I was in high school, I got Doc Martens in violet color. Yes, guys, violet color. I play the scissor, and I really love them. I love the style. So when I just discovered that they were also making bags, I was super curious. I wanted to know, because they explain for this bag, for example, it's two kind of leather. It is what they call Kiev and smooth leather. It's bovine leather, and I was quite curious to see the leather on the shoes applied to a bag. I have to say I was really curious about this fact, and concerning the price, and it's clearly the price that made me buy it. I paid for this backpack all in leather. As you can tell, it's all a leather bag, even the handles. I paid 59 euro. It used to retail for 130 euro, so quite a bargain. And I have no shipping cost. So I really paid 59 euro for this bag. I said, okay, I try it. I'm so curious, and I have to say, I love the design. It's something that I didn't have in my collection. I own my Longchamp Foulonné backpack, which is a gem. I also recently, last summer, bought on sale my Lancaster backpack, which is also great. But this one, in this color, and I have to say burgundy, this is the burgundy version. I'm sorry for the light, even on light. Yes, it's a really dark burgundy, and I'm quite satisfied. I was not afraid because I love color, but I thought it was really, a bright burgundy. And no, it's like a dark chocolate. So the bag, let's open it. I love the contrasting stitches in yellow, like on the Doc Martens. Not all, but some. Let's see. I will take away all the little paper. Okay, so here we are. So I will make a round. The color is really great. So you have a top handle and you have the two handles. Here you can place your name, you know, like on school bags. I think it's cute. So you have no fit at the bottom, and to open it, under you have this type of pressure, you see, like this, you just press. I love, it's written Doc Martens under. Okay, let's open it. I am super surprised. Oh, there's also this to protect it. It's really well packed, seriously, guys. Oh my God, it's difficult to take it away.
Whoa. Okay, I will succeed. Come on. Okay.
Here we are. Wow. That was not easy. So the inside, you have a textile flap pocket here with the logo Doc Martens, and you have a main compartment. I will write the dimension of the bag right here. Here, it's really raw leather, but here you've got a thin textile protection. It's lightweight, and the leather, it looks like the leather on the shoes. It's so soft. I'm super surprised because I was afraid it was something too rigid, you know, like my mini madame from Atelier Auguste, and not at all. It's really something smooth, and it's really easy to open and close the bag. Let me try it. Of course, you can adjust it. Oh, I love the look. I look like a kid, a kid going to school. Oh, it's so cute. It's really, really cute. Oh no, it's adorable. It's clearly adorable. It's funny, seriously. So now let's see what it can fit. Oh, by the way, this is the bag of the day. You remember my Etsy order? Today I use it not as a work bag, just as a bag like this. It's a nice companion for every day. Yes, I got my Coach zipped pouch. So let's place it inside. I got my compact wallet Longchamp, you know, I got it every time. I got my document for my car. I got my card holder. Oh, I think I'm going to soon change the color because I use the cypress a lot this winter. Bimba Ilola. Oh, and I've got a tiny pen, my Hello Kitty pen. Guys, everything fits perfectly. Look at this. Oh, can you see it? Well, and I have space for a pair of sunnies and even a bottle of water. If I place differently, I can place my bottle of water there. Wow, seriously guys, I'm impressed. Let's see in the future if it will hold its structure because you know, when you have smooth leather, it tends to be a little bit slouchy. I'm thinking that maybe this one will hold its shape because thanks to the structure here and the way it is stitched, sorry, I think it will keep its shape, but we will see in the future. I do think it will be a nice idea, you know, with a chic coat. You can have this one. It will be okay. I do think. Guys, please write me in the comment if you know Doc Martens, if you have already tried their shoes or their bag. Write me in comment. I would love to hear your story. I know the brand for their shoe. I got shoes in the past when I was in high school. So now I'm testing their bag. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Take care, and we see us in the next video because yes, I've got a lot of things to say about bags. Bye bye guys.